In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Then click on All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill with Google here. Now it's time to select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your current login method and tap on Edit button. Now you can change whatever you want to. When you finished, to discard your changes, hit X at the top left corner. To save them, hit Save at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!